across the room. She was all alone. Texting on her cell phone. I didn't speak. I was shy. I thought maybe I wasn't her kind of guy. That's when the DJ played my favorite song. Rock the boat, yeah. I wish they could play all night long. Rock the boat, hey, but it didn't last. She walked right past. I hope I see her again. Excuse me, miss, did you notice me? Well, I can read you like poetry. Standing in the club so hopelessly. Get over here when you supposed to be. Oh, see the one they hitting on. By the way, what you sipping on? Maybe a rum and coke? Oh, an incredible whore. Oh, she a big girl. She took me for a walk to the dance floor. I ain't much of a dancer, but I like to take chances. So I danced with this miss. She did it. Worked the middle, rolled the boat. She made an ass jiggle. She made a I stepped out for a sec, cause her brother had to catch his breath. Then she pull a leg up, put her booty on the floor, and at that moment, Conkai walked in the door like magically, the beat changed from afar. I started with no chit-chat, eye contact, like a ninja, like a magnet lady. I am trying. My name is Raheem. She asked the question, what's my favorite song? I told the DJ, push this thing along. I said, baby, I'm a smooth operator. I said, baby, I'm a smooth operator. Hey, listen, we got it here. Smooth operator. I mean, so you talking West, but I'm smooth operator. Yeah, we're exactly what the line is. What's the sign? Told you what the one niggas coming from behind. If that's you with the richest was who you be with, things that make you smile and what numbers are dialing. Atmosphere cozy, perfect for invitation. Say that you open up, open the stimulation. My hands on your hip, go ahead and make a dip. Why be ashamed? It's a natural thing when they last day. You tell me to be on the chain on the floor like a virgin beast. What shot I hit this scene? Sticky rolling the joint. Let's take it to that point. Let's go to Clock Ice joint. And then shake it back and bless like Clock Ice joint. Hey, let's go to Clock Ice joint. Hey yo.